Hello, dear Goinkans. I hope all of you are fine. Dear kids, today we are going to discuss exercise 3 of chapter 5 and it's based on common multiples. What are common multiples? The multiples which are present in the multiplication table of both the numbers are said to be their common multiples. Say, for example, here we are being asked in question number 1, we have been asked that we have to find the common multiples of 2 and 5 using number line. All of you know that number line is a line on which we represent the numbers. Number line has been already drawn on your book. You just have to represent the multiples of 2 and 5 and then find what are the common multiples among them. So here you can see that 2 and 5 are the numbers, and first we will write the multiples of represent the multiples of 2, and then we will represent the multiples of 5. And we have made jumps. Blue color jumps are for multiples of 2 and red color jumps are for the multiples of 5, and we always have to start from 0. As all of you know that multiples of 2 are all the even numbers. That means starting from 0 we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Multiples are infinite, but since the number line has only 20 up to 20 here, so we represent only up to 20. Then we look for the multiples of 5. Starting from 0 we go to 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. Since the number is bigger than 2, it will be having long jumps. So what are the numbers which had both the jumps? It's 10 and it's 20. So 10 and 20 are the common multiples of 2 and 5. That means 10 and 20 are present in both the tables of 2 as well as 5. The other part is to be done in the same way. Number line is already drawn there on the book. You just have to represent the common multiples among them. Then question number 2 is copy work. Here we have to list the first 10 multiples of each number and then find the common multiples. Part first is 3 and 5. First 10 multiples of 3 are up to 30, and then first 10 multiples of 5 are up to 50. And here you can see that 15 is present in both and 30 is present in both. On the notebook you have to write with a pencil, and then you'll highlight by underlining the numbers that you find in the both the lists. It's 15 and 30, so 15 and 30 are the common multiples. In the same way, this solution should be written on the fair notebook, and then you can see here for 4 and 5 multiples have been written and listed, and the commons are written in any other color, some other color, but on the notebook the students are instructed to try to underline them, to highlight them. And then you can find out the common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40. That means 20 and 40 is present in both the tables of 4 and 5. Similarly, for 5 and 10, multiples have been written, and 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 are such multiples which are common in both the multiples of 5 as well as 10. This was all about exercise 3. Thank you very much, dear kids. Allah Hafiz.